You're here, you have a smelly interior, whether it be smoke smells, just kids in the backseat throwing food around, or maybe your pet just decides to take a whopping, steaming, hot pile of on your seats. Don't worry, no matter how bad it is, we've got 4 different solutions to deodorize your ride and get it smelling better than when it was brand new. The first thing that you want to do before you try to deodorize your interior is get rid of the trash, guys. So if you have stuff like wrappers from Burger King, McDonald's, whatever kind of stuff you guys have in your interior, that is what you need to remove. Otherwise, that's just going to keep emitting that nastiness all throughout your interior. So get rid of your trash first. So we're going to start off with the worst of the worst type of odors, which are things like smoke smells, people smells, pet smells, kids just throwing food or throwing up in the back seat. This is gonna be your last resort, your last paradise, whatever you wanna call it. Total Reset Odor Eliminator. This right here is an odor eliminator that you can set off in your car to just remove all the bad scents, no matter how bad that they are. So with this product, all you have to do is pop the cap, make sure there's no people, pets, or plants in your interior. You wanna set this down on somewhere flat. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna engage the trigger lock right on top. So as you can see, if I just press it once, it'll spray a little bit. But if I click it all the way down, it'll continuously just spray your interior with that nice fresh scent of black frost. To use Total Reset, all you have to do is make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area. So make sure your car's outside, and what you're gonna wanna do after that is turn on your car. Turn on the AC to max, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and put it on recirculation mode. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna actively filter out all the freshness from the air freshener. It's gonna make it run through your AC system, kill any kind of odor-causing bacteria caught within, and just recirculate all that freshness all the way around and around and around. And what you're gonna wanna do is let that do its job for about 15 minutes, and then what you're gonna do, crack down your windows, let it air out, and then you're good to go. The next air freshener we're gonna be going over is our sprayable air fresheners. And you guys already know, chemical guys, we love our air fresheners. And just to be specific, this one right here that I'm holding is our Galactic scent air freshener, which just smells out of this world if you guys can't tell. This actually combines all the scents of wood, berry, and musk all combined into one beautiful product. Now the great thing about these sprayable air fresheners is that you can go ahead and eliminate odors with maximum efficiency. So instead of having to like turn on your car, have it running for like 15 minutes, if it needs it with our Total Reset Eliminator, go ahead and do so. But most cases, this right here, it'll get the job done all the time. And same thing with this product. The best way to use it is turn on your car, turn your AC on, have it in recirculation mode, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray your driver and passenger side footwell. So you're just gonna go ahead and give it about 2 to 3 sprays on each side, and that's gonna actively filter out all the freshness throughout your AC system. Again, eliminating any kind of odor-causing bacteria and just giving you the maximum freshness so you're not there having to spray every square inch of your interior with your air freshener. And if you're that person that always keeps your interior clean and you just like to maintain that beautiful scent, you can go with something like this, which is our hanging air freshener. Now this right here is our 3-pack, which does come with our Black Frost, Galactic scent, and Signature scent. Now these are great for eliminating any kind of minor odor-causing bacteria. So just go ahead and pull one out, take it out the packaging, hang it wherever you want, and instant freshness all throughout your interior. And at the time of us shooting this video, we actually just dropped 4 new hanging air freshener scents, including our Tangle Sheets air freshener, our Capri Sunlit Dream scent, our creamy orange swirl scent, and our wild cedarwood escape. And obviously after you finish removing all the nasty odor causing bacteria on your interior, what you want to do after that is maintain that beautiful long lasting fresh scent, right? Which brings us to today. We actually have a brand new product called our gel cell air fresheners. Now these are great because these may remind you of those old school cans you would use on your interior. Now this right here is the new and improved Chemical Guys version. We have them available in 2 different scents, Black Frost and Galactic scent. Black Frost and Galactic scent. And the beautiful thing about these air fresheners is that they're extremely easy to use. All you have to do is open them up and allow it to emit freshness all throughout your interior. All right guys, so as you can see right here, we have our gel cell. This is gonna be the newest Chemical Guys air freshener. What you're gonna wanna go ahead and do is open it up and take it out the packaging first. So now that you're taking it out of the packaging, you wanna go ahead and set that to the side, and boom, that's your gel cell right there. So the one thing about this product is that it does come with aluminum foil. So if we take off the lid, first thing you'll notice is that this does have a seal on there. So it doesn't matter whenever you pick it up, it's always gonna be fresh for your ride. Now, the one thing that you don't wanna do is peel this off because we've made it easy for you guys to just go ahead and open it without doing any of that. So what you're gonna do is as your gel cell is closed, these 2 notches right here should be lined up. So all you have to do is just put some pressure down, turn it, and then it should fall into place like that. And then once it falls into place, you just wanna go ahead and put some pressure on it and just turn it clockwise, counterclockwise a couple times. And you can actually hear it tears apart that seal, and now you're ready to smell. So the cool thing about these gel cell air fresheners is called the gel cell because we lock it behind bars when it's not in use, and then when you wanna go ahead and break it free and emit that freshness, the white text right here on the Chemical Guys logo is gonna allow you to see whether it's open or closed. Right now it's closed, but if you actually put some pressure down, turn it the opposite way, and it unveils the chemical right there to be clear. That's letting you know that the air freshener is open, and now you just plop it down wherever you want, and that's gonna emit fresheners all throughout your ride. And just like that, guys, we just shown you guys 4 different ways to deodorize your interior, get rid of odor-causing bacteria, and keep your ride smelling fresher than ever with these 4 scents. If you guys want to pick up your gel cell air fresheners, make sure to visit our website, chemicalguys.com, or visit your local detail garage store. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, and we'll see you next time.